So hello guys, I'm back again. So and this time we'll actually be exploring this multiverse hex address. So let's see what we are to do. And DRX, they are launching very soon, and they are trying to make sure that every token that they are giving out is actually for basically for truthful users, not those that are just coming around just to scam the tokens or just to accumulate it for themselves. So it must be sent truly to true users, not bots, not people creating multiple accounts. So we'll be exploring the this session in this video, multiverse X address. So if you have it on your own app already, you can click on it. But some people actually are complaining that they cannot find it. But try and check your app right now and see if it is there. So if it is there, just click on it and follow the video. So this is also my first time, so let's get to explore it. So for this multiverse address, you only have three trials. So after which, if you fail three trials, regardless of whichever stage you have like four different verification phase. So if you fail three trials, you have to wait for the next 24 hours. Do you get that? So you should try and calm down and make sure that you do it well, so that you won't have to wait for next 24 hours. And if you've tried it like 3 4 5 times and you failed, definitely you might be excluded from receiving the token. Do you get it? So calm down with it. Before you verify, wait for like 1 minute before you click on the verify, so that possibly whatever you've done has actually been registered online for verification. All right, without further ado, together. So I'm going to click on here exactly where you can see the multiverse X address. So click there, and let's see. Okay, so it's taking me to a website right now. All right, so it's loading. Okay, so distribution verification flow. So at Dr. Hex, maintaining the integrity of our community and ensuring that rewards are fairly distributed is a top priority. So to uphold this, we have introduced a new verification system that ensures only those who genuinely complete tasks receive distribution access. Check the box and start. All right, so it's asking me tap to hand. 1 on 4. Sign up or Sunwaves. Get Sunwaves app from this page. Go to verification setting and copy the verification code as below. And now it's asking that you insert below the code. So if you are not actually on Sunwaves, you might not be able to complete this task. So you get it if you're not there. So just as you have it here, you have Sunwaves, you have Confluent, you have Seal Send, you have Crypto Mayors. So if you are not on all of this, you have my videos already on the channel. Kindly look for it and get the links to all of the 5 projects. Or possibly you can also get some waves from this page. So click on that this if you don't want to go to my page to look for it, but just for the sake of adding to my rewards, as someone that's giving out free information, you can use my details just to sign up for all of these projects. Do you get that? So now I'm going to go to my Sunwaves to get my verification code. So I'm on my Sunwaves. So you click where you have this your picture, your profile. So click there. All right. So once you click there, so you're on your profile. So now click on this settings icon here. Click on the settings icon. So now you have the verification code here. So you are going to tap on it and click on copy. So but since it's a personal details, I'm going to pause this video and copy and go back. So once you get here, just click on the verification code. That verification code will pop out for you to copy. Do you get that? All right. All right. So I've copied already. Let me go back to the page where we're coming from. So now let me paste. All right. So I've pasted it. I'm going to mark as complete. So now I'm moving to Confluent again. So the same thing we did. Let's also, once we are done with all of this for Sunwaves, Confluent, Seal Send, Crypto Mayors, now let's click on Verify. All right, the data entered above must be real to ensure authenticity. Anyone attempting to cheat will be excluded from the distribution. All right, so mind you only have 3 attempts. So let's see. So I've already earned this tap to hand verification passed. You have successfully passed your tap to hand verification and you can move on to the next step. So let me click on continue. All right, so you have this task also to carry out. So you have to be calm with this task, just as you have it here. You have 6 tasks to do here. So it's more or less social tasks. Just follow them. Copy the exact text below and post it on your Hex profile. That's your Twitter. Do you get that? So this is where you click on to copy. So I'm just going to do one for all of these, so you'll be able to use that one to answer to do for the rest, so that this video will not be too long. So just click on here to copy what you have here. To copy everything you have here, you click here to copy everything you have here and you paste it on your Hex, your Twitter. All right, so I'm copying that. Okay, so once you paste it on your Twitter, you copy the post URL, the Twitter post URL or your Hex post URL, and paste the link to that post here. So that's the same way. You also click on mark as complete once you do that for all of the remaining 5 tags. So let me just do one for sake of clarity, and then I will pause the video till I'm done, so I won't have to bore you with the long video. So you're on X already. Just make your post, and just just make your post. And so once you post already, just go to copy the link of the post you've made. So, and to do that, to copy the link, so just click on the post, click on this share icon, and then copy the link. So copy link. So once you click on copy link, so now go back to where you're coming from and paste the link here. Paste the link here. So click on mark as complete. So you're done. So that is just all that you need to do for all of these tasks. Repeat that same step for all of this. Do you get that? So once I'm done to the last space, I will come back and continue the video. So I'm done with all of these tasks. I'm going to click on verify. So the data entered above must be real to ensure authenticity. All right. So let's the countdown finish, and let's move on. All right. Let's see. So verifying. So, all right, my hex verification has been passed. So, if you actually encounter failure the first time, do it again and make sure you do it all over again, starting from copying the post. So, you don't need to repost the post again because Twitter might not allow you to repost. So, just copy the link again and post it. Click on the next one and also click on here to take it to Twitter. Come back, mark as complete. So, once you are done, just wait for like 1 minute before you click on verify so that you have this. This is my third time, and on the third time I had this, I was verified. So that's just it. So now let me continue. All right, so I'm clicking on continue. So now this is our telegram verification. So verify your user. Please write your telegram username. So go to your telegram and copy your telegram username and type it here. Just go to your telegram, click on settings, and click on your username and just copy that and come and paste. So click on mark as complete. So now join us on telegram, stay updated. So click on here so that to take you to the telegram channel. So and join the telegram channel. You can add your emojis just to show that your presence is there. All right. So mark as complete. So you can actually wait for like a minute before you click on verify. So Telegram verification passed. Now to the next. So CMC verification. So the next step is add highs to my watch list. Add highs to your watch list. So you are going to click on here, as you know it already. Click on here, and then you go to CoinMarketCap. So I'm just going to do the first one, so that this video will not be too long. So I'm going to add highs network to my watch list. So definitely it's on my watch list already, because you can see this yellow star. So that means it's on my watch list already. So now I'm going to go back. I will go back, and I'm going to click on mark as complete. So the next step is follow high on CoinMarketCap. So I'm going to follow. So you'll just scroll down to where you have the community. You can get to. So and click on where you can see Highs Open Network. Click where you can see Highs Open Network and let it open for you. So you're going to see follow. So it's opening the page already for me. So just as you have it here. So if you've not followed, it will show for you to follow. So you click on follow. So now to the next task. So click on mark step as complete. Now the final step is for you to open CoinMarketCap from here, then add a positive comment which contains highs and havaks. Make sure you note that highs and havaks. So now let's click here, that board here. So don't forget highs and havaks. So now you know you already opened a page where you liked highs, where you followed highs open network. So just scroll down to their last post. Just click on one of the icon just to like it. Here you can see that. So now click on this message icon. All right, just type whatsoever beautiful or positive you want to say. I'm just going to write if your post or comments keep getting deleted, just try and find your way around it. So you can see right now, I'm not actually tagging Highs Network so that my post will not be deleted. So I just type in dollar sign, then space, I typed ice. So, but for the second one, you can still leave it together. So I think any post I make with the dollar sign and ice tagged in the post is keeps getting deleted. So you have to find your way around it. So I'm going to try this now. Just copy the comment link and go and paste it there. So that solves it. So once you copy the post link, just click on mark as complete, then wait for like 30 minutes, 30 seconds to 1 minute. So, and then you click on verify. So once you paste the link and you click on mark as complete, wait for like 30 seconds to 1 minute and click on verify. Don't be in a rush so that you will not keep getting a failed follow up. Do you get? All right. So let's hope it will be verified now this time. Okay, let's wait. Wow. So that's great. That's great. CMC verification passed. So now click on continue. So now token distribution address, you are not eligible for token distribution. You can enter your own personal address below. So what do you need right now? We highly recommend using Exporter app or use any of the multiverse compatible wallets. So what you have to do now, go to Google Play Store or Apple Store to install the Exporter app. Exporter app. So this is the Exporter app. Can you see Exporter app? Just search for it. So click on open. So once you click on open, set it up already and put in your set it up, your biometrics and stuff like that. So now the address you are copying is the first one here. Just click on EGLG and then click on receive, click on receive, and then click on copy, click on the copy icon, and then take it to where you were coming from and you paste it here. So once you paste it there, you are going to click on continue. So let's wait. So now it's showing congratulations, you have successfully completed all the steps and set your wallet for token distribution. So let's click on close. All right, so it's opening my my Dr. Hex app. Let's see. Let's see. All right. So just as you can see here, my multiverse wallet address has been added successfully. So you can see that. So that's great. That's awesome. If you actually enjoyed this video, kindly give us a thumbs up and also do not forget to share this video with your friends, as many people as possible to get that, and also subscribe to this channel. Until next time, this is FinTech Space with Teambees. Bye for now.